Hello, welcome back. All right, in this video, we're going to do sliding doors. That's it. I'm just kidding. All right, so what we're going to do is that we're going to trade places, basically, okay? So we're going to go from a basic, get into a handshake position, and go right into it. Here we go. From this angle, and slow, quick, quick, 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 slow. Good. So you notice that I'm just doing a nice little underarm to get back into that hand position that we like from start. But you can do other things as well. So that's in your plan. So you can pick out what you want to do. Okay. So we're going to take it from a different angle. Is that cool? All right. So let's take it from this angle and slow, quick, quick, 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 slow. Nice? Good. All right. So what we're going to do this time is we're going to put my back to you. Let you see it from this angle. And slow, quick, quick, 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 slow. Nice. Now with Monica's back to you, let's actually start over here. We're going to move that way to this half. And slow, quick, quick, 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 slow. Right there you have it. Cool? All right, so you have something that's going to be very cool, sliding doors. Cool? So the little sign language for your partner, like, what do you want to do? Okay?
I'm just kidding there.
I'm just kidding.
No sign language.
No, exactly. So again, if you want more information on how to break this down, go to your private lesson style videos and I'll give you a lot more detail on what you need to do. Other than that, go practice and then come back for the next pattern.